The hardest thing I've ever had to do in my life. How much butter? Just a spoonful?
I know, but it spreads quickly.
Okay, friends. Me and Jake are stopping for lunch. We just went to Target. Wow, she was really gonna hit me. You see that?
It almost took a couple people out partying.
Good morning. It is Thursday. So today I'm going to be primarily building my desk. I'm super excited because I have been waiting for about 3 days to fully complete it. Me and Jerick had like a little date and we went to go buy this stuff at IKEA on Valentine's Day. Once we brought everything home, we were just tired and we didn't put anything together except for the desk. Then I had to wait a couple of days in order for stuff to actually get done. I've been waiting for the shelves to go up, that way I can actually just start putting things on my shelf, you know what I mean? You feel that, right? So this morning we got up early and I actually got my shelves put up. So now I can actually start working on my desk. I'm so excited. That's good. That's some good stuff. I love having an espresso maker and I could just make my own little, you can't see it, but my own little like lattes. So that's primarily what today's gonna be consisted of. And pretty much the entire vlog is gonna be my setup. I'm gonna get some things done today. Hopefully it'll come out the way I would like to. Okay, hello friends, happy Sunday. This is my last project to do of the day, and then I'm gonna relax and play some video games and probably stream later. I don't know yet. I haven't streamed in like a couple months, so I'm a little scared. So my new desk shelf just came in. It's a monitor stand. I'm gonna start putting that up and hopefully it looks really good with the setup I have going on. Okay, I'm gonna go put it together and I'll show you guys what it looks like.